So last night something pretty cool happened. It had a massive dump of snow. It's pretty awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There's so much snow. It's really pretty. So today, what are we going to do? We got dressed, and now we're going to
Even without breakfast.
I know, no breakfast. One of the most important meals of the day. We've got our coffee. That's the most important thing. And then we're going to go play in the snow. Ready?
Snow ready.
Snow ready? You going to take your coffee?
Are you?
Yeah. Of course.
How am I going to throw really good snowballs at you if I have to hold a coffee?
All right, you don't have to take your coffee. I need to drink my coffee. So we're gonna do a snowman.
Doesn't have a mouth.
Was that fun?
But cold.
Freezing, wasn't it? Dang it. So pretty. So it's super early for Em to go to work and super early for me to go to work. But we've decided to go in now because trains all morning have been cancelled, haven't they?
Yeah. It's severely delayed.
Yeah, so we thought we'd risk it, go in like super early just so we're there. The only thing I'm worried about is coming home if I can get back. I hope they don't cancel.
You might have to get buses.
Yeah. There's still so much snow about. It's really cool. I love the snow.
It's so bright.
It's so good. I think the snow is following us around. It seems to just go wherever we are.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah. Snow day in London, what do we have?
Mexican?
Yeah. Good boy. How was your dining experience?
It was good, but I'm really full now.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go back into the snow. Just walking through the park now. So much snow. I can't feel my toes. Oh dear. So I've just got to work, ready to start, but I had to come out and do quick filming because it's snowing again. I do love the snow. It's going to be a nightmare getting home. So when I got to the station tonight after work, there was only one train there. I jumped on it and it dropped me at a station. What was the station? Elton. Dropped me at a station like 45 minutes. Would you say 45 minutes? Walk?
45 minutes walk. How slow do you walk?
All right, say 25 minutes walk. That's slow. Yeah, it's about 25 minutes away, and I had to walk in the snow. But that was all right. I'm home now. I'm going to get warm. I'm going to go to bed, and I'm going to worry about trying to get to work tomorrow. That's probably a good idea. She's going to check my walking math.
22 minutes.
There you go. It takes 22 minutes. Sorry.
45. So dramatic.
Good night.
Nice.